The TOPDON AL500 OBD2 code reader is designed to quickly diagnose and turn off the check engine light, making it an essential tool for vehicle maintenance. This scanner helps you pass smog checks by using the Readiness function, ensuring that your car's monitors are ready and repairs are correctly performed. With 10 OBD2 functions, including O2 sensor test and EVAP test, this device offers comprehensive car status scanning to keep your vehicle running safely. The built-in DTC library with over 3,000 definitions and an intuitive LED indicator in 3 colors make this device user-friendly and effective. The TOPDON AL500 is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including most US-based cars since 1996, EU-based cars since 2000, and Asian-based cars since 2008. This OBD2 scanner is easy to use with its plug-and-play design and the ability to quickly retrieve vehicle information like the VIN.